Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this car tech video. In this video we're going to show you a short demonstration of the iCarsoft POR version 2.0 kit, diagnosing this check engine light in a Porsche Cayenne, 2013 Porsche Cayenne. The POR version 2.0 kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com, and I'm going to put the link to that kit in the description below this video. So as you can see, we have the check engine light showing on the dashboard here, and it's just a really short and quick demonstration as to how to diagnose and reset this. So with the tool plugged into the diagnostic port, we have different options on the menu system here. We're going to click into diagnostics first of all, and we're going to go through the motion of selecting our specific vehicle. So this is a Cayenne. It's not that one, it's this one here, 2011 onwards. So click enter, click on manual, and we'll click the DME, which is the digital engine electronics. So click enter to that. Read DTCs, which is diagnostic trouble codes, and it's giving us one fault code, which is P010400, and it's telling us hot film mass airflow sensor, no signal. What happened was we were getting really lumpy running car, and we've since found, well, we read the code and we basically concluded that the mass airflow sensor was faulty. So we've put a new sensor in, we've plugged it back in. The car is running very smoothly now, but we've still got the check engine light, we've still got the warning light on screen, sorry, the fault code on screen here. So to get rid of these, we just need to click onto clear DTCs, click enter on that, and when I click enter here, just keep one eye on the check engine light. I'm going to do that now. There we go. Check engine light is gone, and on screen here we have a message to say erase operation done. And that's all thanks to the iCarsoft POR version 2.0, which, yes, it does cover the engine system, but it covers a lot more as well, you know, like airbags, transmission, ABS, and a whole load more. But it's available at, as I say, at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description below this video. Thanks for watching this car tech video, and I hope it's helped.